Hello everyone, welcome to Showmax channel. Well, this video is about review and unboxing the watercolor paint set. This brand is from Paul Rubens. It holds 24 colors and I have ordered through Amazon. Now let's get started. Finally, I unboxed the set, and in the box it holds a piece of cloth. The cloth is printed with the brand name Paul Rubens, and this is a pink color paint set. It holds the same brand name over here, and in the back of the box it has a holder on it. Well, here they have a color chart and a swatch sheet. This color chart is super useless because it is mentioned in the different languages, so I couldn't read it. And even in the swatch sheet they mention the color names in a different language, so we have to write on it. Finally, we have all the 24 colors, which is mentioned in the English. That's really good. Well, here all the colors were packed with the color paper, and the color which is mentioned with the color name and number on it. So let's do unpacking these colors and I'll come back to you. Well, finally the last one, and this is how it looks. It's all set, and I'm just squeezing the box so that the color should not move from the tray. Yep. Well, here there is a sticker thing on it, so that's the reason it looks like a patchy on it. So slowly it will goes off. Well, all the colors are so beautiful. Let's get started. Well, as I said before, the swatch sheet doesn't hold the color name in English, so I have written on top of it. Also, the color number mentioned in the swatch sheet is entirely different, and I don't know why the swatch sheet is super glittery. Well, before swatching, I'm going to activate the colors. I have a spray bottle and I'm going to activate the colors. Yeah, let's start swatching. Well, this is the first artist grade watercolor paint set, so I'm a little bit scared to take the colors out from the palette because I'm a bit worried whether I'm taking it properly or not, because while washing out the brush I feel like I have taken more colors from the palette, so I'm a little bit scared. So that's the reason I'm using more water and less color, so the hooker greens looks a little bit less pigmented. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you like my video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Well, this is how the first 12 colors look. Here I used more water, less paint, and in the next 12 colors I try to use more color, less water. Well, here I miss out one color, that is a madder red. So what happens is I paint the violet in the madder red and the permanent violet in the violet, so there is a confusion over here. So to avoid such confusion, I started coloring from end of the palette, so it will not happen anymore. And also I started counting whether I have colored 12 colors or I just missed out one. Well, this is how all it looks, and the pigment is super good. Here I used more water and less color, so that's the reason it looks like less pigmented. Apart from that, everything is super good, and this is the first time I'm using the artist grade watercolor set. Let's see in future videos, and if you have any suggestion, please let me know on my comments. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Until take care, bye.